my channel. Forget like and subscribe.
B.
B.
C.
A.
C. Where's the C?
A.
C. D.
D.
E. F. E. F. G. Where's G?
G.
H. H.
I.
I. Where's I? J. Sing A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
That's Q. Q is for queen. R. Where's R? Right here. R. R is for rainbow. What's that? Ah! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah. Come on, Jacob. No, put it on the red one. See, because you're making a ladybug. Yeah. Go get more paint. Go get more paint. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Not your finger. Not the core, because you're done. See? Not this one. See? Go use your pencil. Yeah. Good job. I know. You want this? I know. Here.
B.
Very good.
C.
Good job.
Da.
Put it back.
G.
Uh-huh.
Ma.
Uh-huh.
T. A. A. 3.
Uh-huh. Very good. What's next? What's this?
A.
Uh-huh. You point it. Point at it. Uh-huh. What's that?
Hat.
Hat. Very good. Put it back and then go on. Okay, let's put this back and then let's say what's after H. Okay? Are you reading your book? Can you show me your ABCs?
Oh, fuck.
Show me your ABCs first. Show me. Sige na lang. You put that in Daddy's bag. All your books. Yeah? What about your ABC? Oh, you got 5 books now. You only asked for 2. You got you. Oh, you didn't read your ABC book yet. Oh, you got more than 2 already. Mommy got you 5 books, and you wanted the ABC book. Remember? What kind of book you want?
A, B, C, D, F, E, F, G, U, C, Y, U, F,
No, this is T.
C, F,
S.
R, Q, P, O, B, X, Y, C,
How about this?
H, I,
No, this one is missing.
J,
What is this here?
L, N,
And good job.
Oh, it's right.
J is for?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Uh-huh.
See?
See?
A, B, C, D,
Good job. Wow.
Which way?
J is missing. Are you looking for it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Where? Did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh boy. There's
Yeah. Go.
Where did it go? I don't know.
Baby. Here, baby. Dada.
Can you show me what's this? What's that? Okay, bring the whole thing here. Be careful now. Oh, big boy. Here. Okay. Give me the bit. What? What did you say? Oh, I love you. Say. Did you say thank you? Thank you. What number is this?
No.
No, you tired now? Okay, maybe later. Bye-bye.
Ha. Hey. Ha. Okay. Mama, okay. Mama. Bob. I. Pizza.
Pizza. Wow.
Ma.
Melon.
Cheese.
Cheese.
My God.
Show it to the bear.
Dada.
Yeah, show it to the bear. Thank you, Jay. Yeah.
Mama, I do.
There's two there, yeah. How many friends he got?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, very good.
Okay.
Are your friends listening? Yeah? Yeah, Mickey and Purple Bear and the giraffe. Oh, Daddy Bear is sleeping. He went to bed already. He went to bed. Wake up, Daddy Bear. Sit him up. Right, Daddy Bear, you gotta listen to Jacob. Here, Mommy, help you. There you go. Okay? Now read him the book.
Cheetah. See Nana. Nana. See.
Where? Show me.
See Nana.
Oh, is it a banana?
Yeah, Nana.
They eat banana?
See
Oh,
friend and friend.
his friend.
See and friend. See her.
Yeah.
See her. See ear. I get 2 ears.
2 ears.
Mine.
That's
Here
right.
are my ear.
Your
Mama.
ear.
My
Jacob's
ear.
Uh-huh.
Get 2 ears. Get my ear. My ear.
Your ears, that's right. Very good. You got 2 ears. They also got 2 ears. Everybody got 2 ears.
See? I got 2 ears too.
Yeah.
And Papa will 2 ears too.
Uh-huh. 2 ears too.
And Bear 2 ears too.
That's right.
And Papa
Yeah.
2 ears too.
Everybody got 2 ears.
And Brian 2 ears too.
That's right.
2 ears too.
That's right. 2 ears too.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, ABCD will see me. ABC. Like this, Mom.
That's a space shuttle.
Space shuttle. I like cold this.
What?
I cold this.
What is the color of that?
Red, white, and yellow.
Okay.
Rocket ship.
Yeah, just like a rocket ship. Mm-hmm.
Rocket ship.
Yes.
And kind of rocket ship.
Yes.
Hooray, I found
You found it.
2 boats and 2 boats. I like it on.
Yeah, but they have different name. This boat is a sailboat.
Get a sailboat.
That one is a yacht. This one's nice. That one. That one.
That one nice.
It's a motorboat.
That
You go fishing using this one. Say God bless your daddy.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Great big hole. I get 2. Get 2 boats and we'll get 1 boat.
Okay, this boat is called a rowboat. Row, row, row your boat.
Right?
Like this boat.
It's a canoe.
Okay. No.
Yeah, this is a tugboat.
We can eat some of the meat and rice.
My get boat. Get boat.
That's a cruise ship. These are commercial boats.
My get.
That's a sailing boat. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean.
The end.
The end.
Me, not story.
You want to read me another story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, read me not story.
Okay.
See? All animals.
All the animals?
Yeah.
Can you name them all?
Bunny. Chick.
Good job, chicks.
Duck. Chicken. Duck. Pig. Chicken.
What kind of chicken is that? A male. It's a rooster.
Rooster.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Oh, cow.
Is it a cow?
Yeah. Oh, butterfly too. Oh, animals.
Oh, the animals.
Yeah. Oh, mouse.
Oh, there's a mouse.
Go quick, quick, quick.
Squeak.
And go quick.
The mouse goes squeak.
Oh, butterfly on the cow nose.
A butterfly on the cow's nose.
Oh, they bug flying. A butterfly flying.
A ladybug and a butterfly. Good job.
Oh, 2 ladybug and 2 mouse. Alright. Whoa! Ant!
That's not ant. That's a fly.
That fly?
Uh-huh.
Why that?
That's a fly, I said.
Why that butterfly?
Uh-huh.
Not ant.
It's not ant. It's a fly.
And that. Oh, 1 more fly. 2 flies.
Good job.
And 2 butterflies. 3 butterflies there. 4 butterflies.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, 1 ladybug.
Ladybug.
1 butterfly. Oh, animals.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. Oh, fly. Yeah. Fly. On top. And my goodness. Called eyes, ears. Here. Overall. Over here. 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 Oh. The night mouse, the night fireplace, the night wood, the night clock, the night flower base, the night, the night, the night, the night cat, the night dog, the night mitten, the night house. Red room, red room. Right now, a picture.
And a picture of?
Feed the bear sitting on a chair. Red room on time. Wait, no red room. Red balloon. Oh, and no red balloon, Mommy. And no red balloon.
What happened to the balloon?
And no red balloon.
What happened to it?
And no red balloon.
It went up in the sky?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's sheep? Where's sheep?
Live up in the sky, the balloons. Night, little mouse.
Where'd balloon go?
Up in the sky.
Oh, where'd balloon go?
Sleeping already.
A-R-M-O-N-I-C-A. I done.
That makes, what do you call that thing?
America.
Not America, harmonica.
Mocha.
Harmonica. Say it again.
H.
Harmonica.
H. A. R. M. O. N. I. C. D.
A.
A.
Harmonica.
Mocha.
Monica.
Mocha. 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 Baby. A tree. A leaf. A tree. A grass. A butterfly. A frog. A flower. Daddy. True. Moon. True. And pen. Usher. Okay. Usher. Shoe. A sock. And a hat. Rain. Toy. Rabbit. A ball. Pencil. Toy. Phone. Radar. And a toy. A doggy. Dalmatian. Dalmatian.
Where?
Right
Show me,
here.
put it here so I can see it.
Right here, Dalmatian.
A Dalmatian.
I
Wow.
found Dalmatian in my book.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe Marshall.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey Marshall. We're clothes.
I don't know. The dog doesn't have clothes yet.
Get in my bowl a parrot, a bunny, a cat, a fish, a turtle, a cat, a mountain,
A what?
a tree, a horse, a sheep, a
sheep?
chicken,
A chicken?
a baby, a cow, a beaver, ducks, and a pig. The end.
The end.
Oh, mommy. This is the time there was a big chicken counter over baby. Was that the time it crashes? The end.
That's it?
I got a tiger book.
Oh, really? Show me.
The book I got now. I didn't read.
Wow, that's awesome.
I got a chicken book too. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Did nothing. Once of the time, there was a sea stampede. Once of the time, counter bird. Once of the time, there was counter baby. And she lost him, baby, and son and baby. Once of the time, and found him daddy. Last year, I found him mommy. Yes. Once of the time, I see a monkey. Tomorrow, I see him mommy. Once of the time, there was a cheetah and found her mommy. Once of the time, I found another and found him mommy. Found him mommy. And just him mommy. Did nothing. The end.
All these Christmas stuff just don't show up.
What is that? E is for?
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-S.
T.
T.
Good job, babe. Elephant.
Elephant. Wait on down. A sticker. And a penguin. And I went all down.
Really?
Yeah.
L is for?
Lion.
Very good. Good job. What is N for?
N-E-S-T.
Nest. Good job.
S.
S is for?
S-H-E-E. E-P.
Good job. Very good. No, you go now. Letter C now.
C.
Yeah, right here.
C and D, yeah.
Uh-huh.
C is easy.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Good job.
Now D, D, D.
D is for? What is in the picture?
D.
It's for deer. Wow.
A, B, C, D.
That's right. You finish all your D. You have 3 more D to write.
Down and I done.
You're
Now
done.
the other.
Wow, what a great job. High five. Yeah, good job. Babe, help the girl get to the umbrella. Come on, so the girl won't get wet. How do you do that? Use a pencil, let's say, to trace the path.
Trace the path to the railway.
Oh, wrong turn.
Ah, come on, Nate. Where's the path?
Great job. Awesome. Good job, baby.
J. A. C. O. B.
Wow, what a great job. Awesome.
I didn't get.
High five.
I didn't.
You want to do it again? Wow, that was a great one, baby. Good job.
J. C. I mean, tiny adders, I forgot. Find something. Five. Done.
Where? Oh, finish.
See,
Yeah, I see it. You're done.
At least it's not like the winter. This coronavirus came out. We were told this.
Good job. Wow.
I got to finish my race.
Wow.
Done.
Who's that?
Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head.
Got any boot camp going on over there? These kids exercise.
Hey, I can't write my name.
Really?
Yeah.
Show me.
I'll show you when it's done. Okay.
You move too much.
Watch her get that.
Done.
That's it? Only J?
Yeah. Nope. A. C. O. Red ears. Red ears. Too much pressure. Too much pressure. On the back, I need paint. Ow. Oh. It's more. Oh. Honey, paint the paper. Oh, what's this? Man. A shortcut way. Oh no.
Show me your dog. Flip it. Flip your dog. No, put it here and flip it. Like that. Like that. Wow, that's a pretty color, babe. Wow. You're awesome. You're doing a great job.
I'll ring.